welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Machine Learning Based Aspect Level Sentiment Analysis for Amazon Products. The project is to develop an advanced system that can analyze and understand the customer reviews more effectively. By utilizing the state-of-art machine learning techniques, particularly the support vector mission, the project focuses on expert level sentiment analysis. As the volume of customer feedback on the Amazon product continues to grow, it becomes increasingly important for the business to comprehend the sentiments expressed towards the specific product aspects. Through this project, we aim to dive into the customer reviews, extract the valuable insight, and classify the sentiment at a more detailed level, identifying the sentiment toward the individual attribute of the product. This innovative approach will empower the Amazon sellers to gain the deeper insight into the customer preference, make the informed decision based on the data, and ultimately enhance the overall product satisfaction and the sales. The project's primary aim is to create an aspect-level sentiment analysis system for Amazon products, utilizing the machine learning and relying on support vector mission as the fundamental algorithm. By scrutinizing the customer reviews, the objective is to categorize the sentiments related to the specific aspect of the product. Offering a more detailed comprehension of the customer feedback, the system's ultimate goal is to equip the Amazon sellers with a valuable insight about the individual product attributes, empowering them to improve the product feature and enhance the customer satisfaction. Through meticulous model training and evaluation, the project seeks to establish a robust and accurate sentiment analysis tool, enabling the data-driven decision-making, optimizing the market strategy, and ultimately elevating the overall product performance on the Amazon platform. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. The software requirements are Python IDEL with version of 3.7 or Anaconda with version of 3.7 or Jupyter. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of minimum Intel i3 and above, RAM of minimum 4 GB, hard disk of minimum 250 GB. And to know about the flow of the project, these are the steps we need to discuss. The first one is importing the libraries. In this step, essential Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn are imported. NumPy and Pandas are used for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, and sklearn for machine learning algorithm. These libraries facilitate the efficient data handling and analysis throughout the project. The second one is importing the dataset. The customer review dataset stored in a CSV file format is imported. This dataset serves as a foundation for the sentiment analysis task. It contains the testable data in the form of customer reviews along with the corresponding sentiment labels. And the third one is data visualization. Data visualization techniques are applied to the dataset to gain the insight into the distribution of the sentiment in the customer reviews. Visualizations such as histogram, pie chart, and word clouds are used to understand the overall sentiment pattern and identify the potential trend or the patterns. And the fourth one is data cleaning. Data cleaning is a crucial pre-processing step where irrelevant or noisy data is removed from the dataset. This ensures the data quality and the relevance from the sentiment analysis task. Common data cleaning techniques include the handling missing value, removing the duplicates, and correcting the inconsistencies. The fifth one is splitting the dataset. The dataset is split into the two subsets, a training set and the testing set. The training set is used to train the support vector mission model, while the testing set is used to evaluate the model's performance on the unseen data, which ensures unbiased assessment. And the sixth one is building the model. The support vector mission algorithm is chosen as a core model for the sentiment classification, where SVM is a powerful supervised learning algorithm that can effectively classify the test data into positive, negative, or neutral sentiments based on the training data. It learns from the pre-processed customer review and their corresponding sentiment labels. And the seventh step is training the model. Here, the SVM model is trained on the training set where it learns the patterns and the relationship between the textual data and the sentiment label. The model is optimized during the training process to achieve the best possible performance. And the eighth one is user gives the input. To make the sentiment analysis system user-friendly, a web application is created using a suitable framework. This framework allows the user to give the input to their own reviews through a user interface. And the ninth step is the given input is pre-processed for prediction. When the user input a review through the web application, the test undergoes the pre-processing similar to the steps applied during the model training. This ensures that the user input is consistent with the data used to train the SVM model. And the 10th step is trained model is used for prediction. The pre-processed user input is fed into the trained SVM model, which predict the sentiment of the user review. The model assigns a sentiment label as of positive, negative, or neutral to the input review based on the pattern learned during the training. And the final outcome is displayed. The sentiment prediction for the user input review is displayed in the web application, providing the valuable insight into the sentiment of their review. The user can see the sentiment label assigned to their review, enabling them to better understand the sentiment conveyed by their text. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder containing of the various code folders within it. The dataset folder containing of the Amazon dataset contains of reviews within it, and the model folder containing of the HY file, which contains the algorithm information, and it can be loaded at the time of the execution of the project for doing the certain task like of predicting the new data. And the static folder containing of assets, fonts, CSS and JavaScript and images folder within it. And the template folder containing of the HTML documents like of home, index, notebook, results, sign-in and sign-up pages within it. And the app is an py file which contains the information related to the front-end logic. It includes the code written in Python that handle the server-side operations such as processing the user request, interacting with the database, and generating the dynamic content that to be rendered in the HTML template. And the notebook is an IPYNB file which contains a combination of code, graph, and output all in one place. It allows the user to write and execute the code in the individual cell, making it a popular choice for the data science. And the signup.db is a file appeared to be the database file used to store the user information. And to execute the project, first we need to build the Flask framework. And the total code present in the combination of graphs and output in IPYNB file. For the execution, first we need to copy this code folder path and then open the Anaconda prompt. Here first we need to change the location of the disk to F because our code folder is present in F disk, and then write the command cd space and paste this code folder address. By this the directory will change to the code folder path, and then write a command that is python space app.py. By using this command, it will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or the logical issues. And then click on enter button. By this, the app.py file will run and the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address as of like this. We need to copy this local link and paste it on any of the web browser as of your choice. And copy this link and then click on enter button. Here we redirected to this home page containing of the title of the project and the sign in and sign up buttons. Click on sign up button. It will redirect you to the sign up page containing of the various necessary details that are need to be filled to create an account. But my account is already generated, that's why I'm using the sign in button. It redirects to the sign in page containing of username and password, and we need to enter the username and password as of admin to username and password too. And then click on login button. Here redirected to the index page. Here we need to enter the message for the review as of We bought this laptop online from a vendor and it was Best Buy and was great. And here click on predict button to predict the review, and here we get an result page predicted the review classified as very positive, and then click on try again button to choose another message. Didn't want to go to these sites. Amazon wanted me to. And then click on the product message and redirect it to the result page, and the result is classified as of very negative. And click on try again button and re-enter with another message. I bought this tablet for my 4-year-old daughter, and too many advertisements I would rather pay more and not have a single ad. And click on predict button. The page will be redirected to the result, and the result is classified as neutral. In this way, we can predict the review of the sentiment analysis by using the SPM classifier. And in conclusion, the machine learning based aspect level sentiment analysis system for the Amazon products utilizing the SPM has proven to be the powerful and effective tool for extracting the valuable insight from the customer review. The project's success in classifying the sentiment toward the specific product aspects have provided the Amazon seller with a deeper understanding of the customer feedback, enabling them to make the data-driven decisions to enhance the product feature and improve the customer satisfaction. The robustness and the accuracy of the sentiment analysis model have demonstrated its potential to optimize the marketing strategy and boost the product performance on the Amazon platform. Overall, this product contributes to the advancement of the sentiment analysis technique and empowers the seller to respond proactively to the customer's sentiment and drive success in the competitive e-commerce landscape.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.